Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Dr. Salimun Marf Kadebo and my fellow friends. We are from Group 10 and we will present and explain about the type of organization we want to own one day is for-profit organization. Thus, we will present the importance of management in organization, which have 7 members including me, to explain the topic. Before I start, my name is Ainu Masturina binti Abdul Manan and my metric number is 284642. What is management? Management is the coordination and administration of tasks to achieve a goal. Such administration activities include setting the organization strategy and coordinating the effort of staff to accomplish this objective through the application of available resources. Management can also refer to the seniority structure of staff member within an organization. To be an effective manager, you'll need to develop a set of skills including planning, communication, organization, and leadership. You will also need extensive knowledge of the company's goal and how to direct employees, sales, and other operations to accomplish them. What is organization? Organization refers to a collection of people who are involved in pursuing defined objectives. It can be understood as a social system which comprises all formal human relationships. The organization encompasses a division of work among employees and alignment of tasks toward the ultimate goal of the company. It can also be referred as the second most important managerial functions that coordinates the works of employees, procures resources, and combines the two in pursuance of company's goal. A for-profit organization is one who is to make money as make a profit. It contrasts with a non-profit organization or not-for-profit organization which focus on keeping itself going. Non-profit organizations usually have other non-business goals such as helping the community.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Aizah Haikal bin Muhammad Nawi. My metric number is 287736. So today I want to talk about mission, vision and objective. First of all, mission. With a determination to progress with the passage of time, ABCDE Company is one of the business companies that has fulfilled several missions to achieve ideals and direction towards an advanced and outstanding company. One of the missions that company has devised and planned is to supply high quality, fresh and quality product to all customers. Next, company also has a mission to provide excellent service through fast and customer-friendly hospitality. This good service strategy aims to make the business company become the top of choice of customer from the aspect of friendly hospitality to all customers regardless of rank. The company also has a mission in providing a one-stop center in offering a range of convenient, comfortable, attractive and customer-friendly everyday necessity products. Finally, the company also devised to develop a skilled, efficient and quality workforce and have high customer attraction skills. Next, for the vision. ABCDE Business Company has a synonym vision to make the business always move forward and gain a place in the heart of customers. The vision is to seize opportunities and compete in the grocery industry through product and service excellence at competitive price. This vision planning aims to make this company an advanced company and develop in line with other companies. Next, the company also formulates a vision to open up employment opportunities and the ongoing development of human resource in the field of retail to ensure internal strength. The company's next vision is to build a strong brand and business image through the excellence of the product and service provided. With this vision, the business company is able to remain relevant to provide the best retail food service to all customers. Finally, the company also has a vision in contributing to society through the direct assistance, the opening of employment opportunities, and the creation of business network through relevant local industry. Objective of the company. Several objectives have been taken by the company to achieve goals and ideals dream in the company organization. Among the objectives is to formulate business plan for the company to expand branch throughout the peninsula and also penetrate the market of Sabah Sarawak as well as abroad. Expanding branch to all of this area can add maximum profitability to the company retail business and can further expand the retail sector. Furthermore, the company also always sensitive and prepare for every chance that occurs, so that the quality of service can be improved. When there is an increase in the quantity of good requests, the company strives and able to meet all the demands of customers who need goods in their lives. In addition, the company also formulate objectives to deliver high technology processes and service for local and international retail. The use of this high technology will facilitate the service process and the production of goods for all markets. Finally, the company also drew up objective to always deal more efficiently and professionally with customers. This objective aims to safeguard the company business relationship with customers so that customers do not switch to other retail business.
My name is Elder Shafika binti Muhammad Musa, and I will talk about the planning in organization. The organization requires wide and rigorous planning to run smoothly and maintain a high level of quality in its position as an organization. The formation and implementation of organizational objectives or goals is the first step in this planning process. What should be done, where should the initial focus be, and what should be accomplished through a network of policies, budgets, programs, and procedures, the absence of which would invariably result in faulty or ineffective planning. The next step is to set up planning premises, which are assumptions about how an anticipated scenario will be understood in the future. It is crucial to highlight that this premise can include both internal and external elements. The internal premise is to actively engage from within the company. Environmental factors such as social, technological, government policies, and politics make up the external premise. Furthermore, one of the steps in planning, which is the third step, is establishing and evaluating alternative courses. Following the previous step, an assessment of options available is required to enable decisions to be made, because if this is not done, the organization's ability to determine the company's needs and resources as well as the objective set will be harmed. The next step in the planning process is to choose a course of action from among all of the available options. Following the previous step, the timing of a series of activities is the next step in putting the plan into action. Start and end times are set for each job, for example, to show how long it takes to complete a task. Next, making plans would not be enough. They need to be accompanied by follow-up action to ensure that everything goes as planned. If something happens and the current plan becomes obsolete and no longer works, a new plan must be developed to replace the old one. In a nutshell, management is significant for an organization to determine its true direction by selecting the best option, which can then be followed by actions to achieve these goals.
Hello everyone, my name is Tarini Ramakrishnan and my metric number is 288891. Today I'm going to present about the function of organizing. So in the context of management, the function of organizing refers to the process of building an organizational structure and assigning human resources in order to guarantee that achievement of goals. When organizing at the level of the organization, one of the things that must be decided is how to departmentalize, also known as cluster, jobs into departments in order to efficiently coordinate of efforts. There are many various methods to departmentalize, such as arranging by function, product, region, or customer. One of the most common strategies is to organize by the customer. The departmentalization of many bigger companies makes use of a variety of different approaches. Organizing is also a process that commences the execution of plans by specify, specifying tasks, working on relationships, and efficiently deploying resources for the purpose of achieving objectives that have been recognized and desired goals. As a result, it is also a process that organizes the efforts of humans, gather resources, and merge the two into a current world so that they may be used for the purpose of attaining certain goals. It also involves making a sensible division of work into groups of activities and then linking together the positions that reflecting the grouping of activities for the purpose of achieving their target goals. However, a manager who has the necessary qualifications, intellect, and competence is delegated responsibility and put in charge of each department. This provides the manager with the capacity to work with their employees to achieve the goals of the business. A well-organized company will be in a better position to make the most efficient use of all of its available resources. The greater the size of the business unit, the more the need there is for suitable levels of an organization. As his firm expands from that of a tiny corporation which had a core group of a few important individuals. He also need to delegate more responsibilities and hire a big number of managers. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nur Shafika binti Muhammad Nur and my metric number is 286833. So today, I will explain about leading. One of the ways applied in leading is employers, motivate employees and influence the behavior of employees to achieve objectives in an organization. This will encourage employees to emulate the attitude of their employers. Firstly, the managers need to do is directing. This is an effective leadership style for new employees who need a lot of training. Next, managers need to coaching. This is important for individuals who needs extra support to further develop their skills. Then, managers must also have a supportive attitude. Managers propose to provide focus and support to employees. Last but not least, managers also need to have a delegating. Leaders or managers who are more concerned with the vision of the project than day-to-day operation are most effective.
Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Muhammad Ishazris bin Zainuddin and my metric number is 287440. Now, I would like to share with you guys more deeply about the definition of controlling, the importance of control to managers and our company, and lastly, the process of control. First of all, control is the last of the four major management functions. Control can be defined as a process through which manager regulate organizational activities to make them consistent with expectation and help them to achieve standard of performance. There is a several important things by using control function on management, such as assist the management process, help the manager to prepare and deal with change or uncertainty, and help them to minimize the cost. In fact, why control is very important to the managers? The reason is it can assist the managers in detecting potential problem or issues. More specifically, it can help the managers to come up with strategic solution, which is reducing the company expense without affecting the financial management and so on. There are four steps of control performance, which is firstly, setting standard of performance. Secondly, measure actual performance. Next, compare actual performance with standard. And lastly, take corrective action. With all of this following, I can ensure that the organizational of ABC Enterprise will run smoothly and increase their standard performance. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Naim Nasrullah bin Syahri. My matrix number is 287827. Today I want to talk about conclusion. Finally, management is critical to the success of every firma. As you can see, the value of management in a business cannot be understated. Good management is the opposite of mismanagement. It causes uncertainty, a lack of direction, and eventually failure. You should plan, organize, lead, and direct your action even if you are your own employee. That's what a good manager does. Management is critical to attaining a company's goals and objectives. As a result, we consider management to be essential for all companies. An organization may be defined as knowledge system built on diverse set of principles, concepts, theories, and processes. Planning, organizing, leadership, and control are all key components in creating an organization that achieves its goals, objective, vision, and mission. A manager must decide on the activities and resources required to achieve organizational objectives. Managers are also in charge of the company organization, which involve organize people and resources. Managers must also be strong leaders to motivate and inspire their teams to achieve their goals, mission, vision. Consequently, we must guarantee that these issues are addressed so that our management is in good shape and our organization runs smoothly, seems tidy, and is in ideal condition to ensure that our outcomes, goals, vision, and purpose are met. That's all from me. Thank you.